I actually
Okay.
installed the first couple myself here at our main office where I'm located, just to
Right.
see what that process was.
Mhm.
I actually videotaped it on
Oh,
the
okay.
second or third one so that I could have a video instruction video basically just to show them how to do it. It
Nice.
was very quick and simple. I mean, it took me longer to pull the old equipment out than it did to install yours. So it's like, so it
That's
probably
good to
took
hear.
3 or 4
Yeah,
times
yeah.
longer to pull the old equipment out. And when you're pulling it out, you don't have to be careful with it. It's just yanking, rip.
Just yank, yeah, just yank it out.
It
Yep,
still took
yep,
longer. So
yeah,
it's very, very impressed with the ease of use, the ease of setup with the app, and the online account setup was easy. I mean,
right,
you guys basically have them all pre-registered when you send them to us, and it's literally like you plug it in and it pops up on the account.
right.
Everyone else I've used prior to this, you have to plug it in, submit the IP address
Ticket,
or whatever,
right.
and
Oh, yeah,
then set it up after the fact yourself. And it
mhm,
usually takes a day or two at least just to get it going.
right.
So that was frankly quite amazing to me. The fact that it literally took me less than 10 minutes to install these things, and that was pop a side panel off the dash, plug it into the OBD2, run the wire up to the dash. I just sticky taped the thing onto the dash and put the panel back on, and it was
Oh,
up and
yeah.
running within minutes. It was definitely the easiest ones I've used so far.